काल सोम सुमार एक इन्फॉर्मेशन येयलें आमकां की एक मायनर भुरगें इस्कॉलाक गेल्लें पयलीं रिटर्न येवंक ना म्हणून इस्कॉलाकसून. सो अकॉर्डिंगली केस वॉज रजिस्टर्ड ऑफ किडनॅपिंग फ्रॉम द lawful guardianship of her mother and 8 of children आहेत. आणि इमिजिएटली आमी सर्च ऑपरेशन स्टार्ट केलें त्या भुरग्याक सोदपाक. त्या भुरग्याचे फ्रेंड्स आनी बाकीची ताका वखद येता लोकां कडेन खबर काडली, सगळ्या कडेन खबर काडली, कोणें ताका पळयना जाल्यार आनी ते खंय वचपाक शकता पळय ते. सो 3 teams were formed, one under the leadership of PI Sagar Kuskar of Mainaguttari Police Station, one under the leadership of PI Sachin Narvekar of Madgaon Town Police Station, and one under the leadership of PI Ravi Desai of Kurchore Police Station. Various contacts and informants were mobilized to get as much information as possible. But then we zeroed out on one person who has been staying in the neighborhood. तेजे डिटेल्स व्हेरीफाय केले, तेजे बाकीचे लोकेशन्स आनी तेजे एक्टिविटीज व्हेरीफाय केली, and we suspected him to be involved in the crime. In the meantime, information was received by PI Kepeng, Santosh Desai, that the victim girl has been traced in the jungle area at Ambauli. He with his team immediately rushed to the spot, and she was found there. Immediately तिका 108 शिफ्ट केले Auspicio Hospital. I along with PI visited Auspicio Hospital to see her condition, and from there she was shifted to JMC Bambali. Her condition was found to be very serious. परिस्थितीन आसलें, कंडिशन उलोवपाच्या कंडिशनान नासलें, आनीक accordingly the doctor decided at Auspicio Hospital Margaon to shift her to Angel. आमचें इन्वेस्टिगेशन चालूच दवरलें आमी, आनीक accordingly late in the night, after thorough verification of the activities of the suspect, he was picked up late in the night. He was interrogated, and later he confessed of having committed this crime. He has been placed under arrest
Section?
under Section 363 and 8 of Children Act. Then we discovered that the girl has been badly assaulted. So we have also added Section 307, attempt to murder, and POSCO Act 4 section, because the victim girl was left abandoned in the jungle area in a very bad state, in an almost unconscious state, you can say. So investigation is in progress. More evidence is being collected. PI Sagar Kuskar is investigating the case under the guidance of SP South Arvind Gauss, and we will take it to logical conclusions. The motorcycle used in the case where she was picked up after school hours, it's a scooter, white color scooter, that has been attached, and it is from the possession of the accused.